too early. I'm getting too old for this pre-ordering lark. Let's see if we can get one. I had to make a brief pit stop for copy. First one here. Right, here. Let's see if we can get one ordered then, shall we? Hi guys, welcome back to another Forge of Souls Paints. Well, as you can see, I'm excited about Killteam. I don't think that's any surprise to anybody, to be fair. So in this video, what I want to talk about is my thoughts about the new Killteam that's coming out, and generally give a channel update. It's been 3 months since I did the last one, and what my plans are for the next 3 months for the channel. Right, so without further ado, let's have a talk about Killteam. Like I said, I think it's pretty obvious. I'm excited about it. I've pre-ordered it. Picked up a couple of bits and pieces as well around that, so I really wanted the dice. I don't know why I wanted them, because I think they're overpriced for what they are, but I've got me some Killteam dice. I picked up the compendium, which, yeah, we'll talk about that a little bit further down the line. Picked up the core box set, and I picked up an additional copy of the rules, the core rule book as well, just so that if I have anybody around, the guys that I play with, it's just easy for them to come around, bring a team, and we're all set up and ready to go. So let's talk about the elephant in the room and all the Games Workshop here at the moment. I really didn't want to talk about this because I don't want to get involved in the politics of it. Now, this is not what my channel's about, but my channel is about my hobby, and this is one of the things that's kind of impacting on me at the moment, where there seems to be a lot of hate for what Games Workshop are doing. It doesn't mean I agree with what they're doing in terms of the copyright and all that stuff. I'm not going to get into that, but at the end of the day, it's a business, and the idea is to make money. They've got shareholders to please, and regardless of what we might think as hobbyists, it is a business. So I don't begrudge what they're charging for it. I'm in a position where I'm at a point in my life, I have disposable income, and this is what I choose to invest my time, my hobby money in, because I'm getting enjoyment out of it, and I'm not going to switch to a different game system. I don't really care about the game that much, if I'm totally honest. What I do is I enjoy painting their models, I enjoy the lore, and I enjoy thinking about things happening in that universe that's just totally different from my day-to-day life. It's a great way of escape for me, and for what I invest in it, from what I get out of it, it's still a significant ROI for myself. So yeah, I don't think the core box set's that expensive either. I think it's like to have an entire game in one box for 125 quid. And I appreciate that is a lot of money, but it is what it is. If you want it, there are ways for them to get it. Do I think Games Workshop are doing anything particularly special by making it guaranteed that you're going to get your copy of Killteam? No, to be honest. I mean, it's economies of scale. All they're probably wanting to do is to get up the shipping numbers to make it more economically viable for them to ship that box from wherever it's being made and all that stuff. But by the by, I'm not really bothered about that. What I want to do now is then talk about Killteam and what I want to do on the channel over the coming months. So, as you will know, if you've seen anything of my channel or follow me on Instagram, I'm a huge fan of Dark Angels. I'm building a company of Dark Angels, and what I've decided is, within that, originally my plan was to play 40k, but over the past year I've decided I'm really not interested in playing 40k, to be honest. It's not something I want to do. I don't like the rule set, so I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is create a company that A, I think looks cool, and B, I can pick and choose bits and pieces from into my Killteam. Now, the problem with that at the moment, even though I've not got the new compendium, from what some of the people out there that have got early release box sets have said, it looks like you can only have single choice troop types in the new version of Killteam at the moment. Is this unexpected? Well, to be honest, for me, no. I don't think it's unexpected. I'm not annoyed about it. I'm a little bit disappointed, yeah, because, you know, Space Marines are the poster boys of this entire thing we do. But it is what it is. I'm sure it's going to change. I mean, just looking at what you get in that core box set and how those models are laid out, I'm pretty certain we're going to see the rules revised within the next 6 to 12 months for Space Marines and for all the other factions as well. So it's not that much of a problem, and it gives me a chance to kind of really think about what I want to do to make those models a little bit more exciting to myself, because that's an area that I'm really struggling at the moment. I've been army painting my Dark Angels, and I've not been enjoying it, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like army painting, I don't like batch painting. I like to take my time on each individual one and craft an elaborate backstory about them and enjoy the process of painting it and putting it together, converting it and all of that stuff. See, it's just making me smile now thinking about it, and what I don't want to do is just paint another squad of intercessors. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm being stern with myself, and I'm gonna enjoy my hobby again. And maybe that means doing a little bit less, but yeah, I got caught up into how many minis am I gonna paint this year? Who cares? Nobody. Absolutely nobody at all. It's an arbitrary value I'm putting on my own time, so no more of that. Gonna do some Killteam. So in terms of videos, what does that mean? Now, that's a good question. I've been chasing the algorithm for some reason. It seems the more time and effort I've put into videos, the less views they're getting. Now, I am doing this as a hobby. I have no intention of trying to make like this a career or anything like that. So maybe after I've got a full year of doing weekly videos, I think I'm going to go down to once a fortnight. Still do the update videos and do some videos, probably some more videos in between those fortnightly releases, but it'll give me a little bit more time to do something more varied and interesting, for me at least, rather than just trying to make a video to get a video out and then ignoring the other parts of my hobby. So that's something that's probably going to change going forward. And what I'm really looking forward to is a little bit more diversity. So as I said, I am painting my Dark Angels, but I'm going to make a video about this. It's in the work. It's my own kind of lore of Dark Angels, based off of what Games Workshop's already given as a framework, but using the hexagrammaton. I'm pointing up here. I am planning on getting some images and stuff flashing up there. So I've got like 6 different types of Marines in my version of the Dark Angels, so there is some diversity there, and I want to make kill teams for each of those, so that's something really fun that I'm planning on doing, and I can't wait to get that done. I've already done one, so cracking stuff. So I think that's going to be it for this channel update, to be honest, guys. It's a super quick video. I've not done loads of painting this week. I do have some more painting tutorials, so there'll be a painting tutorial next week. Then hopefully Killteam will be out, and I'm going to crack through the Death Corps of Krieg and those Orc Commandos, get the terrain built, and then I can start learning the gaming system. So I might make some of those introduction to Killteam videos as I'm learning it. Maybe I can help somebody else there as well, because I think if I've got an understanding of the rules where I'm having to explain them to somebody else, that's really going to make it better for me. Should we talk about the rules? I don't know. Maybe I'll make another video. Would you like to hear my views on the rules of how they've changed? Spoiler alert, I think they're way better than they were. I don't like the old Killteam wound system. I hated it, in fact. And I love how streamlined it is now, comparatively. So, yeah, I'm excited about Killteam. I'm not going to boycott Games Workshop. That's where I stand with it. I'm still enjoying my hobby. Let me know if you're enjoying your hobby. What do you guys think? So that's it for this week. Hopefully this has been of some value and you will stick around for the future videos coming. And I'll get back into doing something a little bit more productive than painting, I think. Right, that's it for this week, guys. So, remember, if you're going to do crap, make sure it's plastic. See ya!